Hello everyone and welcome to Revision Week. Today we are looking at the 7-point question, but first, let's review some of the main points we covered. Remember, natural resources are anything we can take from nature. Things like fruit, vegetables, crude oil, gas, coal, minerals, precious stones, and metals. And of course, water. Remember, there is an unequal nature to the global access to water. It's important to remember the limited sources and where water comes from. Access to water is affected by socioeconomic and geopolitical issues. This map shows the link between safely managed drinking water and climate. Notice how the areas with less access to safe drinking water are found in and around the tropics and near the equator. Another factor is obviously economic development. Indeed, the most at-risk areas have the added factor of a weaker economic status. Water use also differs according to that economic status. Compare the middle and low-income countries to the water use in high-income countries. And don't forget that the cultural and historical background of a country can affect the water uses as much as its economic status. While most LICs and MICs will use more water for agriculture than anything else, many HICs still allocate a lot of water for agricultural use as well as the use in the industry or domestic use. The UN Sustainable Development Goals hope to address the issue with water safety and supply through both conservation efforts and by improving water supply and management methods. You will need to have prepared at least 3 case studies for the topic of water in order to answer the 7-point question. So let's give it a try. While you write, make sure your answers match the criteria we discussed in the session on marking criteria. You can use this list as a guide. Look at the question. For a named area or country, explain how water supply is managed and provided. Have a look at this answer. You may pause the video if you need to. Take more time to read it. How much do you think this answer would get? The answer is 4 points. It is a relatively well-developed answer, but it does not contain place-specific details. Here is another model answer. Again, you can pause if you need to take more time to read it. Think about how many points this answer would get. It is fully developed and cohesive. It uses the hamburger structure and it contains several place-specific details, such as the name of the water supply project and reference to the numbers of dams for which the cities and areas are being served. This answer would get 7 points. Now it's over to you. For a named area, country or area, describe and explain its water supply system. Make sure to use a different case study, and don't forget to spend no more than 15 minutes answering the question. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in class.